So, a minute.
Okay, so
Hit that in. 20p. Put it in again. Okay, now I'm going to put 50p in first. Oh, a minute.
thank you.
And then the 20.
Test and that's a coin. Thank you. Hold on tight. Here we go.
Yeah, 50p in first. 50p first and then 20p. That time. Didn't work with just 20p that time, it was 50p first. It's in good condition? Yeah, it's black. Has he got the right whistle? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's missing his light at the bottom. He hasn't got a light. I don't think they do them on the kiddie rides. They do on the big kiddie ride. Okay.